Hello and welcome to MichoDev's new video. So today we're gonna look how to make some simple 2D rigging with the PNG format. So you can see on the side here how I did make some very simple animation with 2D character. So yes, this is what we're gonna do today. So yes, the first thing I'm just gonna say, you can use any kind of program just that can make some PNG format. What I have made, I have split the head, body, left arm, right arm, the legs of course, so I have split everything, so it's gonna be much easier to make this kind of rigging. But of course there's many different ways to do this, but this is how I did made it. So yes, now we are in Unity 3D, we're gonna make the rigging here. So yes, click on the sprite and look on the texture type, so it's 2D and UI. On sprite mode it needs to be single. So yes, now we click on the sprite editor and I'm gonna change the layout here, like that. So yes, on the left side we click on the sprite editor and change it to skinning editor. Now we're gonna make the bones here. Okay, so yes, we're gonna start with the bones. So click on the create bone, and to add bones you use left mouse, and to cancel bones you use right mouse. So we're gonna start with the bones, double click, and I'm gonna make 2 bones on the body part and cancel. Then we're gonna make for the head, so you left click on the yellow and dragging. So when you're gonna make this fade one, you need to like hold the mouse and drag. So a bone on the head, then we're gonna make a bone on the shoulder like this, cancel, and make for the other shoulder maybe like that. Then we're gonna drag for the arm, so drag again over here and so yes, now we're gonna click on the reparent bone. And reparent bone, this gonna makes some body parts gonna be on front and some gonna be on behind. And I example want the head to be the front, and the legs and hands want to be behind the body parts. So this is a very easy one. Example, higher number means more front, and lower number means it's behind. So example, we click on the head, I want to use number 1. Now I want this one to be the most front part. And the body parts can be on 0, it's perfect. The shoulder can be on 0 too. But the arms and legs I want to have -1. So click on all legs and arm, make it to -1. Okay, now we finish with that. If you want, you can rename all the bones for like arms, legs. It's much easier to work with, but this is just some very simple animation, so I don't change the bones name. Then we're gonna click on the auto geometry and generate for select. And if you see here, maybe some didn't get perfect, you can change it if you want with edit geometry like this. I'm not gonna make so advanced, but if you want to change, you can like drag like this. After this, when we have auto geometry and click on this, then we can click on preview pose and see. So everything is working like this. This is just a preview. So looks like everything is working. Then we click reset pose. And now we're gonna click on apply. Don't forget that, apply. Now we have everything finished to the character. So now click on your sprite and drag it to your scene. Like this. I'm gonna close this one. So yes, now we're gonna make some very basic animation. And to get your bones to your character, click on the sprite you did add to the scene and click right here, sprite skin. Click on that. It needs to be on the sprite you did create your bones on. Then you just click create bones. You need to have made some automatic bones to your character, but you can look so all the parts is right, but yeah, I think it's gonna be right. So yes, now we want to drag all the parts together. I click on the head and drag in, and you can see the head is the front that we did make on the reparent bones. So the head we maybe put there, the arm maybe put on there, and the other arm maybe there. Add the legs up, maybe there, and like that. So now we got some very cute character, and now we're gonna make some simple animation. Click on the sprite, window, animation, and create animation. Yeah. Maybe we write idle example. So now on the animation, click on the red. This means record. Then maybe I take to 1 second. So we're gonna start with the animation here. So maybe click on the arm. Just make something simple like this. Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, something like this. You can just play around and make some. So yes, now we're coming to the end here. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial. And of course, this is not professional. I just make some very basic one just to show how you can make it very simple. And of course, if you like this, you can subscribe, you can like, you can comment, you can ask. And of course, you can join my Discord, look on my Patreon. Yeah, you understand. But yes, I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.